Hi guys, Adam at LEIGHTON Vans. So we've not got a transporter for you today, we've got something a little bit special. Now we have got an SQ7 with the full ABT pack on. So an Audi Q7 itself is a 7-seat 4x4. Now this one is an SQ7, so it's a little bit different. Now under the bonnet is a 4-litre V8 diesel with around 430 horse, Audi's Quattro 4-wheel drive system, automatic gearbox and a load of other toys as well. As you can see, this one has had the full ABT kit on it, so it looks immense. As part of the ABT kit on the SQ7 is the entirely new front bumper. Now, this is wider, looks more aggressive and comes with a splitter on the bottom of it as well. Also on the front end, we've blacked all the grille out, all the badge and all the grille surround and everything, so that looks a lot more aggressive, a lot better in gloss black. Also, the full ABT kit comes with the wider wheel arches, which again, just make the car look wider, more aggressive. So we've got the ABT wheels on the vehicle as well. Now these are in gloss black with a polished lip. Now they're 22 inch and come with 285, 35, 22 Continental tyres. So we've got the wing vents on the side, ABT of course, and we've got the blacked out mirrors and the side skirt trim down the bottom of the vehicle as well. Moving to the back of the car, now obviously on the roof you can see there, we've got the nice ABT roof spoiler. Black badge, as I said, we've blacked the whole vehicle out, so anything that was chrome's gone. Move down to the bottom and we've got the ABT exhaust, the quad exhaust, which looks really, really good. Along with, obviously, nice little black ABT badge on the tailgate. Now a bit more about this colour. So it's in like a dark red, which you can see, it looks awesome in my opinion. Now, this is an Audi exclusive colour, so the person who bought this vehicle from new could have taken in t-shirt, a pair of curtains, you know, anything and said, I want my vehicle in this colour. And yeah, we highly doubt there's another Q7 in the country that in this colour, let alone an SQ7. So now I've shown you around it, we'll hop in it, head for a drive, see what the vehicle's all about. As I mentioned in the showroom, it's 4-litre V8 diesel, 8-speed automatic, Quattro 4-wheel drive, and it drives beautifully. 430 PS, so it's not exactly slow, and yeah, it's unbelievable to drive. Now, in here as well, there's some really cool features. There's the virtual dashboard, which shows you sat nav and everything. There's obviously dual zone climate and heated seats, DAB radio. It's got every creature comfort. It's really nice to drive. And it done half shift. For more pictures and the full spec list of the vehicle, head to www.leightonvans.co.uk or give us a call or drop us an email at info@leightonvans.co.uk. Cheers guys.